going here? Oh, look at that. Somebody likes white. Definitely like, what is with the white anyway?
I like white.
You like white?
I like white. No black cars.
Tell us about this car over here. Looks like it has a cloth top.
I really like this car. The top goes down. We got to take a video of how the top works on this.
All right, let's pull it out.
All right.
By the way, this is my brother. We finally got him to get a Mercedes convertible. He decided he needed a fun car. Because this one over here, he's telling me he's not real fun. Ooh, listen to that exhaust note. Yes, E400. Ooh, nice.
Controls for the top are in the center console here. There's just a single button that you hit and everything works pretty much automatically. So I'm going to go ahead and do this.
Oh, look at that little glass flip up. Yes. Ah, this is like my SL500. You lose some of your trunk space?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Tell me about why you chose this color.
I wanted,
That's a pretty interior.
I looked at a lot of the Mercedes colors. The majority of them I didn't like. There's a green that I liked, and I also looked at some red colors. I decided on white because it was my favorite color, and then once I decided on the exterior color, then I decided what am I going to do about an interior color, and I like the off-white or beige interior color. So that's how I decided on what color combination I wanted. I looked at a lot of other options besides Mercedes that were a used convertible, and basically I liked almost everything about the design of this car. I like the shape of the body, particularly the front end.
So how long have you lived with the car?
I've had the car for almost 3 months now.
Any downside?
The only downside is the trunk space when the top is down. We'll take a look inside of here and I'll show you what I'm talking about.
Well, at least you can get something in there.
Yeah.
When my top's down on the SL500, I can't even get a box through the hole.
But anyway, this panel here, when the top is up, this panel flips up and then it has a lot more space in the trunk.
So now, tell me the 3 things that you like the best about this E400.
Number one, the styling I think is what I like the best. This is really a nice looking car compared to what you can buy in a car that's almost 10 years old and looks this nice. The second thing, it's really comfortable. The seats have multiple adjustments, and so you're really comfortable when you're riding in the car. This one adjusts the lumbar support both front and back, this button. This one tightens it up from side to side on the back sides. This one adjusts the lower part. This is the lumbar support behind my back. I'm sorry.
Did you have to read the manual to figure all this out?
Yes. I'm still figuring it out. And the other part of it is driving it. It really feels great, the suspension and the cornering and the acceleration, all that stuff is really nice. I think this is only available in the convertible. It has a neck warmer. If you look over here in the back of the seat. Anyway, when I turn that on, we'll have hot air blowing on your neck.
You're kidding me. I need a neck warmer. You want to trade?
Okay, let's see. Let's turn the fan speed up.
Oh, you're kidding me. Oh, I'm gonna have to get a new car here. Oh, oh. Does it have any for your feet or legs? Oh man.
Okay, yeah, it's running now. Do you like that neck warmer?
Oh man, this is for an old guy. This is just great.
One of the other nice features when you're driving with the top down, it has an air dam in the top of the windshield, We'll show that going up.
It's a little different than the old W123 with the broken springs. It's like you got a Rolex watch in the dash. What's with all that sparkle anyway?
I don't know.
Well, I have to say that was a real kick. We put the top down and went for a cruise, and with that neck warmer, who needs the top up anyway? But this thing really handles well. For not having either ABC or aromatic suspension, I gotta say this E400 is a dream to drive.